So we start by graphing these lines. In fact, I'm going to switch my paper here. So alright, so we've got line 3x plus 2. So that's going to be something like that. And we got the line 2x plus 3. Something like that. So there's our lines, and they cross here. This is going to be the center of our circle. So if we were to do a quick sketch of our circle, we know it goes through the origin and circles around that point. Oops. There we go. Man. Getting closer. There we go. So something like this, but a little more centered. There we go. So we want to find the distance from the center of the circle to the side. And since we know the circle crosses through the origin, let's put a different color for that there. We can say the radius must be equal to this distance here. Alright, so that gives us our strategy. Our strategy will then be to solve the system of equations So if we solve that, which we have already done graphically, and we can see here that that value is 1 comma, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 5. So if I put 5 in, so 2 times 1 plus 3 is 5, 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5. So our solution is 1 comma 5. So now we want to graph this. So from here, the origin, to the point 1, 5. Right there. That is our triangle. And we're interested in knowing r, the radius of that. This is 1, this is 5, so by the Pythagorean theorem, r is equal to the square root of 1 squared plus 5 squared, or r is equal to the square root of 26. So now, we can find the area of the circle, because that's what we were told to find. Area is equal to pi r squared. So the area is going to be equal to pi square root 26 squared. When you square a square root, we just get 26 pi. That would be the exact value. Now if we want to estimate it, we'd write 26 times 3.14, do the multiplication. So 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. 2 times 4. Let's see there. It's not bad. So 81. So the area of the circle is approximately 81.64. And what units did it say these were? Doesn't say. So square units, whatever they are. And that's it.